Good Erev Shabbos, everyone, as we get ready for Shabbos Parshas Truma. And we learned the Mishna Yomis for today, which is really coming down the home stretch in Masechtas Kesuvos. And we are learning the 8th and 9th Mishnayos of, on Shabbos we're going to finish the Masechta, the 8th and the 9th Mishnayos of Masechtas Kesuvos, sponsored by the Fisher family, Linish B'Spasi B'S Rabbi Shlomo Ben Avram Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain. Also, Linish B'Smatis Yochaim Ben Yaakov, for Yomis Ben Chayesar, for the schools of Avram Yom Ben Ishmael Yudis and family, by Yol Klugman and family for their Gesund Parnas and Nachas, and by for Refuah Shleima for Meir Ben Chayesara, should have a Refuah Shleima B'Ser Shachal Yisrael. So the Mishnah tells us, if I present a promissory note to Chatzkel that he owes me $10,000, and then Chatzkel shows Chatzkel shows that he sold me a field. Excuse me, I sold him a field, and I took money from him. And, that's strange, because if he owes me $10,000, when I sold him the field and he gave me $10,000 for the field, I should have said, well, I'm taking it for the debt. So Admin says, Chatzkel could say, well, I must have paid you, because if I was still chayiv to you for the debt, you should have taken the payment of the debt when you tried to sell me the field, and say, sorry, I'm not giving you a deed of sale, I'm taking the money as a debt. The Chacham say, no, I was smart. I sold him the field. I sold him the field because now, if when I ask Chatzkel to pay the loan, he says, I don't have money, now I have a field to take away. Now, to understand this, the Rav tells us, if it was the derech to get the money for the sale before giving the deed of the sale, so then Chatzkel is right. As soon as he gave me the money, I shouldn't have given him the deed of the sale. I should have said, I'm taking it for the debt. And therefore then it would be a claim he must have paid already the debt. Everybody agrees, on the other hand, that in the event that, however, here we're talking about a place where the minig is to write the deed of sale first and only then get the money. So therefore we understand the Chachamim, because I couldn't get the money from him until I wrote the deed of sale. So therefore the Chachamim say I did that in order that I should be able to collect from the field. Admin holds that I should have told the Eidim that I'm doing this only in order to have recourse to claim the field for my debt. And since I didn't say that, it must be that I already got paid the debt. That's the machlokes. Now, the next case is Shnayim shoitziu shtar chayv zeh al zeh. Here, Chatzkel presents a promissory note that I owe him money. And the promissory note is dated in Shvat. I present a promissory note that Chatzkel borrowed money from me in Adar. And I say it must be that I paid Chatzkel already. Because if I didn't pay, why is he borrowing money from me? So Admin says, Ilu ayisi chayiv lach, if I was still owed you the money, keitzat aloivim himeni. Why afterwards would you take a loan from me? The Chacham say, each one of us could collect our payment. So again, over here, in the event that my loan to Chatzkel was after was clearly after his shtar that I owe him money was in Shvat, and I gave him a loan in Adar. So there it's proof positive that I must have paid him. Because otherwise, why is he taking a loan from me afterwards? If the shtar that I took a loan from Chatzkel was before, excuse me, if the shtar that Chatzkel took a loan from me was before my loan was due to Chatzkel, so then everybody holds that we would have to pay each other. The difference is if I took a loan from Chatzkel the day before, excuse me, if Chatzkel took a loan from me the day before my loan was due to Chatzkel. So Admon holds that if I was still chayiv to pay him, he should have waited the one day. The Chacham say, no, you don't say wait a day. Maybe he had something a good deal to buy that day, and that's why he took a loan from me, since I wasn't due to pay him till the next day. And people will take a loan for one day, and therefore we each could collect from one another. We want to thank you very much for joining us. Remind you that you could join us for our double daf on Motzi Shabbos at 8:15 by going to zoomdaf.com on Zoom. And also remind you to check out my YouTube channel where I put on a share, this year's share from Truma, also a share from Truma from Rabbi Landau's show from 2016. I started also putting on some shiurim from Megillah Esther. Check that out if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet. Rabbi Moshe Meir Weiss, please do so. If you would like to get into the dedication of the new printing of Power Benching, call me at 718-916-3100. Same thing, if you want to sponsor coming week's share on Tetzava, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you for joining us, and have a wonderful day.